Thing rocks, does that mean it's twisted? I might screw it down, it won't make no difference. Maybe I should turn that one over. Let's try that. If we turn it around, how about them apples? Nope. Yeah, that ride's better. Got to get rid of this gap here. It's off about a degree. I tried notching that off just 1 degree. See if I can close that gap up. Post must not be quite lined up. Probably done ruined the whole board. Oh yeah. Much better fit. Could have bought some 10-foot 2x4s and didn't do it. I'm having to cut up these 8-foots. I'm winding up with 2 and 3-foot pieces left over. I guess I can incorporate that into a bench or a table or something. We'll have to go buy some more 2x4s anyway. Getting a little bit done today, not a whole lot. Maybe I'll get an estimate on how many more 2x4s I need to purchase. Let's see, I need to cut one 65 1/4 with a 45-degree end. I think it was 65 1/4. We're fixing to find out. Should climb up there and measure again. Whoops, wrong angle. Almost messed up. Now I think we got it right. You may wonder why I know where to cut. I'm going to show you for those who don't know. A lot of these saws have got a laser line on it, but this one don't need it. There's a light shining down through there. Now watch, see, there's my line. When I come down, you'll see the shadow of the blade. There's the shadow of the blade. So I need to move to the left just a smidgen where I can. Close enough for railroad work. Let's go stick up there and see, do it fit. I didn't get a lot done today, but I got a little bit done. I got my top rails on over there on that far deck. Every day when I put this saw up, I have to go through the same rigmarole. I've already blowed it off once. Making sure I got all the sawdust blowed off of it where I can put it away. Roll it to the garage. Yeah, it takes me 20 or 30 minutes to pick all my tools up and clean up when I quit out here. We did a lot of shopping today, so I was real late getting started, but I accomplished a little bit. Calculate I need 5 2x10s pressure treated and about 8 2x4s pressure treated to complete having enough to do my handrails. Oh well, another trip to the building supply store. Look at that jet going over there. I watched a video yesterday on YouTube. A guy went up in a high altitude balloon and parachuted from 24 miles high. he passed the speed of sound coming down before he pulled his parachute. He got more guts than I got. I wouldn't want to jump off this porch, let alone 24 miles high. He was practically in outer space when he jumped.